Both of you lived on hills, linked hands at the invisible ends of my youth. Both of you went outside to hear crickets and look at city lights in the valley from washed eyes. For me, some fortress at the end of a long road, waiting on a numb street, void of real hospitality. Always I gobbled up the distance, sang songs on the way, wept from nervousness, skidded in the dark. All calamities of love are precise. Each defense spins faster than the fire that burns them away. And now your hills are gone, swept up by intermediate distances and influential facts. I can see you in the drama of unused postage, peer through the hedgerows of monotony and undistorted time, until I seem to see you both like wraiths in marinara or supermarket muzak, walking your secrets slowly past the spreading architecture of a recognizable and pedestrian ghost who used to be me.